Tools like Claude Code and Codex are great, but running them all day gets expensive fast. Meanwhile, open models are going head to head with the frontier models on the benchmarks. So today, I want to show you FireConnect. It lets you keep using the coding tools you already love, but with open models running underneath for a fraction of the cost. Right now, it works with 6 harnesses: Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, Pi, Cursor, and VS Code. So to set it up, I'll start by going to the FireConnect repo and grabbing the one-line installer right here. I'll copy it, drop it into my terminal, and run it. It needs a Fireworks API key, so I'll hop over to my Fireworks settings and create a new key and copy it. Then I come back to the terminal and paste it in right here, and that's it. Everything's set up. And the nice thing is, every harness works the exact same way. It's always FireConnect, then the tool's name, then on or off. Let's try it with Claude Code. To turn it on, I just run FireConnect Claude on. Then I'll fully restart Claude Code and type hi to make sure it's wired up. It answers, so now I'm routed through Fireworks. If I want to see what's actually running under the hood, I'll run FireConnect Claude status. This shows me the mapping. Out of the box, the main and Opus slots run on GLM, Sonnet runs on a lighter GLM, and the fast background stuff runs on DeepSeek. And you can see the price right here next to each one. The big GLM models are a little over $1 per million tokens in, and the fast DeepSeek one is about 14 cents. So the heavy reasoning goes to the strong model, and the quick little tasks go to the cheap one. And if I don't like that setup, I'll run FireConnect Claude model select and just pick whatever model I want for each slot. Okay, now I'll just use it like I normally would. The only thing that changed is what I'm paying for it. And if I ever want to go back to the normal Claude models, I'll just run FireConnect Claude off, and I'm right back to Anthropic's models. Now let's do Codex. FireConnect's already installed and my key's already saved, so I don't need to set anything up. I'll just run FireConnect Codex on and restart Codex so it picks up the change. I'll run FireConnect Codex status to check it. Codex is simpler than Claude Code. It's just one model, so everything routes to GLM, the same strong model we saw before at a little over $1 per million tokens. And now it runs exactly the same as Codex normally does. And to switch back anytime, it's FireConnect Codex off. Next is OpenCode. Just like before, everything's already installed, so I just run FireConnect OpenCode on and restart it. I'll run FireConnect OpenCode status to check it, and it's the same as Codex. It's one model, so everything routes to GLM. And now OpenCode's running, and when I want to switch back, it's FireConnect OpenCode off. Let's move on to Pi. Same deal here. I'm already set up, so I just run FireConnect Pi on and restart it. Like Codex and OpenCode, it's one model routing to GLM. And now, just like always, you can run Pi like you normally would. Next, let's do Cursor. I'll run FireConnect Cursor on, and that sets the Fireworks GLM model as the default across all of Cursor's modes. With FireConnect Cursor status, I can see they're all routing to GLM. Then I reopen Cursor and use it like normal. And when I want to switch back, FireConnect Cursor off. And last is VS Code. Just like the others, I'll do FireConnect VS Code on, then I'll open VS Code. In the GitHub Copilot chat on the bottom right, I can see the model is set to GLM latest. And now I can run it just like normal. And there you go, 6 harnesses running on Fireworks. You're using the exact same tools, but the open models are doing the work now. So you're paying a fraction of what you were. That's FireConnect.